希拉里下沉，移民着綠燈當路沉。
I've just received a call from Secretary Clinton. She congratulated us. It's about us.
多個民調都睇低，但係就無咗侵做白宮主人。不過呢個爆冷，早在16年前就俾詹神預測到㗎啦噃。
I am officially running.
Don't take me out of the ginger. 雖然呢條卡通片係15年先出街嘅，但係00年嘅詹神的確係有提到侵做過美國總統。
As you know, we've inherited quite a budget crunch from President Trump. How bad is it, Secretary Van Houten?
故事係講述 Lisa Simpson 做咗第一任女總統，首要嘅任務係解決上任特朗普嘅蘇州市。想知道當時嘅編劇點解會咁寫咧？睇翻篇文啦。
Helping you capture and relive experiences that celebrate you as a human. And that's why we built Karma.
行貨高普卡瑪香港未有得賣，但係美國啊賣緊㗎啦。早前官方啊宣布，部分嘅機飛下咧就會冇咗動力噃，所以需要全面回收，都俾顧客全數退款嘅。出貨日期要解決咗問題再算。不過就未知道會唔會影響香港出貨啦。
換生活，樂科技，Unwild HK。